Welcome to the transformative journey of woodworking eco. Now, we all know the beginning of any journey can be a bit rocky, right? Well, when I first ventured into the woodworking industry, let me tell you, it was no walk in the park. The challenges were as many as knots in an old piece of pine. But you know what? Challenges are not roadblocks, they're stepping stones. And each one led me closer to mastering my craft. That's when online courses came into play, particularly the acclaimed TED's Woodworking. These courses were like a compass, guiding me through the forest of my woodworking journey. And let's not forget the importance of online success in this business. It's like the sturdy oak in the forest of challenges, standing tall and strong, refusing to surrender to the winds of adversity. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey, the link to the acclaimed TED's Woodworking course is in the description below. Building a robust online presence. A professional website is the cornerstone of your online woodworking business. This isn't just a virtual business card, it's your stage, your canvas, where you showcase your craft, your passion, your unique story. Now, engaging content is the heart of a compelling website. Think of it as a conversation with your audience. Share your journey, your inspirations, the soul behind your creations. It's not just about selling products, it's about building connections, fostering a community that values your craft. And then there's SEO, or search engine optimization. Imagine it as a compass guiding your audience towards your website amidst the vast digital forest. Use keywords that resonate with your craft, like sustainable woodworking, handmade wood products, or custom woodcraft, to improve your visibility. But remember, SEO isn't a magic wand, it's a tool. And like any woodworking tool, it requires patience, practice, and persistence to master. Remember, a well-optimized website is your first step towards online success. Harnessing the power of social media. Social media can be your powerful ally in the woodworking business. It's not just about posting pictures of your latest creations. It's about creating a community, a place where woodworkers and enthusiasts can come together, share ideas, and inspire each other. Imagine the power of an Instagram post showcasing a beautifully crafted wooden table or a detailed woodworking tutorial on Facebook. The reach is vast and the opportunities are endless. Choosing the right platform is key. If your target audience loves visual content, platforms like Instagram and Pinterest can be your best bet. For tutorials and in-depth discussions, Facebook and YouTube are more suitable. Now, creating compelling content. That's where the real fun begins. Share your process, the tools you use, the wood you prefer. Give your audience a glimpse into your world. Make your content shareable. The more it's shared, the wider your reach. And remember, social media is a two-way street. Engage with your audience, respond to their comments, and appreciate their shares. It's about building relationships. Let your woodworking art shine through social media. Creating compelling YouTube content. YouTube can propel your woodworking business to new heights. But how do you create compelling content that keeps viewers hooked? Well, it all starts with crafting high-quality woodworking tutorials and videos. You don't need to be a Hollywood director, but a clear video with good lighting and sound can work wonders. It's all about demonstrating your woodworking skills, showcasing the beauty of the wood, and sharing your passion. Now, don't forget the power of a good story. Weave a narrative around your woodworking project. Maybe it's a family heirloom or a piece that holds a special place in your heart. Stories captivate, and when viewers are captivated, they'll want to see more. But of course, a great video is just the start. To reach your audience, you need to optimize your videos for YouTube's search and discovery algorithms. Use relevant keywords in your title and description. And don't forget to tag your videos appropriately. Remember, a well-crafted video can attract thousands of potential customers. Mastering email marketing. Email marketing can be a game changer for your woodworking business. Imagine this. Your latest woodworking masterpiece is ready, and instead of waiting for customers to stumble upon it, you reach out directly to folks who've shown interest in your work before. That's the power of a robust email list. Building such a list can seem daunting, but it's simpler than you think. Start by offering something of value in exchange for an email, like a how-to guide or a discount on their first order. Make sure to respect their inbox, though. No one likes spam. Once you have your list, the next step is to captivate your audience with newsletters. Showcase your latest creations, share your woodworking stories, and offer exclusive deals. Make your newsletters so good they can't wait to open them. And to streamline this process, consider using email marketing automation tools. They can help you send out consistent newsletters, track engagement, and even segment your list for targeted communication. With a well-managed email list, your customer retention and sales can skyrocket, fostering collaborations and partnerships. In the dynamic woodworking industry, networking and collaboration are key. Now, you might be wondering, how do I find the right folks to team up with? Well, it's simpler than you think. Start by identifying others in the field who share your passion for sustainable woodworking. Attend trade shows, join online forums, and engage in social media communities. These are gold mines for potential partnerships. Next, reach out. Don't be shy, send a friendly email or a direct message. Share your vision and why you believe a collaboration could be mutually beneficial. But remember, a good partnership is a two-way street. Consider what you can bring to the table. Can you offer unique designs, expert knowledge, or maybe a solid online platform? Finally, be patient and persistent. Building strong partnerships takes time, but the payoff can be immense. You'll foster growth, innovation, and create a sense of camaraderie in the woodworking community. Remember, together we can achieve more. Let's revisit the key insights from our journey today. We've navigated the winding road from the genesis of a woodworking journey through the establishment of a robust online presence to the mastery of social media, YouTube content creation, and email marketing. We've also explored the power of collaborations and partnerships and the art of selling woodworking products online. Moreover, we've shed light on the game-changing benefits of strategic online advertising and promotion. Now it's your turn to take the reins and embark on your journey towards online woodworking success. Remember, every challenge is a stepping stone towards triumph, so don't surrender to obstacles. Rise, learn, adapt, and conquer. Your woodworking passion, coupled with the power of online platforms, can carve out a successful path in the woodworking world. Thank you for your time, and remember to subscribe and engage with our channel for continued inspiration and guidance.